If you use Premiere Pro, this video is for you. In today's tutorial, I'm going to introduce you to 15 essential effects every editor needs to know. I'll show you exactly how to use them, how they work, and how they can elevate the quality of your videos, saving you tons of time and taking your editing to a professional level. Let's start with the first effect, Auto Reframe. Suppose you're working on a full-screen video, and you import an image that doesn't fill the frame, leaving you with black bars or awkward sizing like this. The traditional beginner way to fix this is going into the Effect Controls panel and manually tweaking the scale. While that works, the faster, more professional way is to open your Effects panel, search for Auto Reframe, and simply drag and drop it onto your media. In a fraction of a second, the image automatically resizes to fit the sequence frame perfectly. The exact same technique applies to video clips. Just drop the effect on your video, and it instantly scales to fill the entire frame without any manual adjusting. Effect number 2 is ProcAmp. If you head over to the Effects panel, search for ProcAmp, and drag it onto your clip, you'll unlock quick controls for brightness, contrast, hue, and saturation. As you can see, this allows you to quickly lighten or darken your video, adjust color tones, and dial saturation up or down. For example, with just a simple tweak of the hue slider, we can easily shift the colors from red to pink. Effect number 3 is Volumetric Raise. Once you locate it in the Effects panel and drop it onto your timeline clip, head over to Effect Controls. Here, you'll find a button labeled Surprise Me. Clicking this will randomly cycle through different light ray patterns and presets. This effect works exceptionally well on sky footage or shots with prominent light sources. You also have full control over the illumination. You can adjust the intensity and length of the rays, or even customize the glow color to match your scene. Effect number 4 is Basic 3D. This is a classic effect that lets you transform any logo or graphic element into a 3D object. Just head to the Effects panel, search for Basic 3D, and drop it directly onto your logo or graphic layer, not the video background. As you can see, tweaking these parameters gives your logo depth and a professional 3D perspective. You can keyframe these settings over a few frames to create smooth motion animations. It also works great on text layers, just like I'm doing right here. Effect number 5 is Posterize Time. This effect lets you reduce the frame rate of your video to get it a distinct, stylized stutter, creating a stop motion or choppy feel. Let's try it out. Go to the Effects panel, search for Posterize Time, and drag it onto your clip. Next, head to Effect Controls and look for the frame rate parameter. The higher this number is, the smoother your video will playback. But watch what happens as we drop the frame rate down. The footage immediately becomes dynamic and stepped. Let me drop it onto another clip so you can see the difference clearly. With a lower frame rate, you get this eye-catching textured motion. It's a hugely popular look for creative slow motion, stylized promos, and high-energy commercials. Effect number 6 is the Linear Wipe. When you search for Linear Wipe in the Effects panel and drop it onto any element or layer, it gives you a clean, professional way to reveal or hide your media. By adjusting the wipe angle and softening the edges using the feather property, you can create stunning, seamless transitions that make your text, logos, or video clips appear incredibly dynamic. Effect number 7 is Mosaic. This is a super versatile effect that lets you apply a pixelated blur or censorship effect over any object in your video. Simply drag and drop the effect onto your clip, then click Surprise Me to cycle through various pixel presets until you find the look you like. You can also fine-tune the pixel density by tweaking the horizontal and vertical block controls to get the exact amount of coverage you need. Effect number 8 is Dip to White, which is actually a video transition. If you search for Dip to White in your Effects panel and drop it at the beginning of your video, you'll get a smooth white flash dissolve to introduce your scene. Now, if you want to take this to a truly professional level, try this workflow. take a screenshot of your video frame, upload it to ChatGPT, and use a simple prompt like, "I want the same image without the person." Once AI generates the background-only image, bring it into your timeline right before your main clip. Align them, and place the dip to white transition between the empty background image and your video. Just take a look at the seamless, high-end result. You can also use this transition between graphics, adjustment layers, or two separate image clips, like these two right here, to get a clean, polished look every time. Effect number 9 is Morph Cut. Another powerful transition. When you search for Morph Cut and drop it between two clicks, graphics, or logos, it analyzes the frames and creates a seamless, morphing blend from the first element to the second. As you can see, it generates an exceptionally smooth, high-end transition that instantly connects your visuals. Effect number 10 is the Mosaic transition. Make sure to search for this inside the Dissolve folder, not the Stylized folder. When you drag and drop it between two clips or graphic elements, it creates a stunning, pixelated transition widely used by professional editors. You can also customize the transition speed and style directly from the transition alignment controls in your panel to perfectly fit your edit. Effect number 11 is VHS Damage, which functions as a stylistic transition. When you search for it in your effects panel and drop it between these two clicks, you instantly get a retro, high-end visual result. It also works brilliantly between graphics, text, or any layers on your timeline, delivering an incredibly polished aesthetic every time. Effect number 12 is Page Peel. If you search for page in the effects panel and place it right at the first frame of your clip, ideally an image of a document or newspaper, it creates a smooth, high-quality page turn transition. As you can see, it perfectly simulates peeling a sheet of paper, making it an incredible asset for explainer videos, documentary edits, and research-focused content. Effect number 13 is Lens Distortion. If you search for Lens in your effects panel, you'll find this tool and drag it onto your video. This effect creates a subtle curvature or fisheye distortion in your footage. By increasing the curvature parameter, you can warp the frame inwards or outwards. Further down, you can also manipulate the vertical and horizontal descentaire controls, just like I'm doing right here. It's an incredible effect for building custom dynamic transitions or adding immersive depth and field of view to your scenes. Effect number 14 is Turbulent Displace. Once you search for it and apply it to your footage, it creates organic, fluid distortions that perfectly mimic liquid ripples or heat waves. It's an essential tool whenever you want to add realistic atmospheric distortion to water, fire, or stylized graphic elements. Our 15th and final effect is Roughen Edges. If you're working with an image or graphic that has hard, sharp borders and you want to give them a rough, organic, or rounded texture, this is the tool for you. Just search for Roughen, apply it to your layer, and jump into effect controls. By tweaking these parameters, you can fully customize the edge style to match your aesthetic. And that wraps up our 15 essential Premiere Pro effects. Mastering these will instantly speed up your workflow and elevate your video production quality. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.